both MPP and NDC. They both deserve it. But I want to make case a pure criminal. Only license. What call reserve forest? What call to a criminal? When you party some MPP wow, almost like leadership, almost leader.
They have national executives.
What Sammy will be that? I want you to make opposition say 30 years. Chairman Wontumi, it's maternity TV so not me gold bar, not the two TV in this one. Cry. Minister of Lands, I know what
natural resources.
He should be taken to court. Obia na on my licenses want to meet me call falsify the license the be no e say e che tanko fo ni nyina.
Abusia aha aye Xposed GH mo bibia akwaba yatena se na unim say ayatama Wontumi a say yapa kwadwa pempa e di wardrobe ne fridge nyina aka ho ama no wonsa wa mu a wakotena ho no mo emfie polepole eye aduro no 20 years no eno ho akwadwa ne yenso yasibie aye di mu nchiri mu eba besom na eyare hosem sanso ena bawomiaba ababa wa bia 26 years wayi nanim ase na no epropose se wono de His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene ne yere ena obedidi wo matem wadidi atem ami amani bill pen say yasan ache no amene wo kasai wakopie mu wakra circuit court sanso ena NDC abrantie ba konso ayefa ne Prince Boache ono so ya chi no ni nyina ya temdidi a emebunu yetu ho asi wo sa TikTok no so de wode beye wo hu fi na wode wagu wone won politics impenifo ho efi eno ho ena yatena so don't forget say obehye na wa subscribe ama wunu anso ensa akambie wo ba say yebo wodwuma ho so dawuro nso a Mr. no afa your numbers no na one yen edi enkomo kama ne was special promo so edi emau and me guest I ready e wo fie na enne no ne party member ne papa na de nyina enti no una fade de osu ankasa wonum sa kanfo nso de ahorho sam to yen a na ye hye brisi eno nti kam ho ne ama na kwa ban jam mitia mo kwaba
major so
boko de
Adam
arehon
so bi a mesere na afo so mani
senya ma bopusa we ye ayi Yesu brabra de so
forget it
po anya no beka kire o
forget it
bibia boko de
we fast be also forget it
we can see cousin
Charlie yegum bende
nyame ase Chama Wontumi
yeah
and now what is say what court the final verdict no eba no what e we he
mechi ametiefo na em say na menam krom
okay
na obi frebe ka chem say what ne aba na me say dasem no say chairman na 20 years we dey ni krom you say wow 20 dey em say I don't shake kakra but ewiase no ni abedua bia no obetwa
so aba
yeah intimate no sebe eyarehho the be am say prison there me we say my greatest enemy crank call but yes emra no enfanya adwuma
ene na mate ne wo fase enu masam o se emra no enfanya adwuma but mami misa wo since J1 ye chi Chema Wontumi na ye de ne kwadu ebo no ne kwadu nsia ena ye de abo no eno so ne ye gina a sentence ni for 20 years no we ye timamuni ye ba no ye man so ene ye natural resource ehu hia ne oman ne nipa a etimo no edie ben na wo ka de fa ho
won say ewiase emese ne anyame de ma Africa pa ye ye niama ye minerals ne ye water bodies ne niama ye natural resources anyame de ama ye the whole world no change in Africa about 70%. In Africa they can be say blessed. But at the same time I care am because of the way I handle no.
Okay.
Quabratium ho no. Eye baby a sebe ye hu say ye twa nua ni nyina agu anso kranto. And na ye ka say Accra a flood ye all based on niama ye activities. Na me ka say me de but I me de in a way. As any statements to people are almost yes say ye galam say send and say you can't do it and run away.
Okay.
And such statement when I'm a person your boss maybe there is not about Wontumi no but sebe Ghana adia nyame dia man say en fan hwes no ye ntimi nsɛn no na ye nchiri mabom say na ede na mo ye
okay
ntimi de minim se ade no ya de MPP for me say sebe omra ho ba ade no se ba bi eda no ese ade to.
Can we really protect our natural resources?
We have to. Me share video bi na US omo ye gold mining.
Yeah.
Insuo nchen but when nko nsuo nim.
Okay.
Loss. Na me pese we yet say political imprisonment there be. Me pese yet say obi a ye bechi obi an you should follow.
Okay.
Me nim yet America sa. Say ye the sad we a Chinese for no. Ye de chi omomo campaigns ni na ye chi omguma.
Ahemfo no.
We say kan pese ohini bi na ke ya mana dem 20 years. Na ho na ne run na asempa boa. Na ye de naguram. Eno na be ma ye hu say ye ni abre.
Okay.
Because ekun we ya mfa de we ya mamu a ebe ha dwen.
Wontumi deserve 20 years aye de ama no.
Me dem tie an yam shime 20 there me feel say anu odin kaka.
Harsh.
Me ti kaka. Me nya judge nti eja.
But how do you see it say harsh and a sentence in the so we can talk about it.
It's a bit on the high side kaka. I thought e bi anke man be at 10 years no. Because 20 years of hard labor no enye joke. No chale obekwa bana wa hwa wo yere hu kura hu no ya bubom abubudompe no.
Okay. Abusia e go to a time and na proceedings ekoso e wo Accra High Court no. Ne lawyers na afa kodu baby ne na ba ko say will resign. E ma ne ya reho ma Ghana for kan ho asem bebre. And it got to say na lawyers no were really pleading say sentence no be 15 to 25 years. And the ya ma ne 20 years no. One of the council no chese why ade say we pleading mo matimi ama no 20 years. Now I said to them no kra no is fair. Na enipa ene wokopie mo high court where ye MPP foni bi no ebode ehuro aban no ene yen judicial service no say ase omanya ade omatu omani esi party ni so. What do you say about it? Say ba no say ye ko obi ko situation bi mu na ye the party sem ebe mu a.
Empress hwe ade we ame okay. Both MPP and NDC near beto bia they both deserve it.
Okay.
Me yobi.
Okay.
Ye bu o man sabe enye party. Constitution ni no. Niama bi wo ma ese yi film. Appointment of your friend is saying people like Yoko and those chief justice said in say yi fi government powers in them. Who said because of no government be a person na be a political. But I want to make case a pure criminal.
Okay.
Only license. What call reserve forest? What call to a criminal? When you party some
serious offense.
Yes, and I mean him. MPP one almost like leadership. Almost leader.
They have national executives.
What Sami will be that? Because only the face of MPP says send ye done no. Almost you make opposition say 30 years.
But Justin Kodu oye juma.
One year. A same way by ye. Any same be abano. All chances no. Sabi ba could be a bet ye beka actually no. And yeah, the biggest opposition. That is how you should react.
Okay.
Face ni dane bibi ya hu ye, and they need to set up. Because such a man want to me, eti maternity TV so, not to me gold bar. Not the two TV in this one. And crying.
Okay.
Other time na MPP no power. So there's nothing wrong with it. Now it shouldn't even end there. Minister of Lands, I know what that
natural resources.
He should be taken to court.
Okay.
What you say? I want this thing. It shouldn't end here to say I didn't hear. No. That's not what I want. Minister of Justice, Minister of Lands, no, channel.
Okay.
Because at that time, no woman sang for him. What you say? Obia na on my licenses are want to meet me call falsify the license. The bay no say sang for that is the only way. Ubetimi ewu say me ya ade adache no the consequences no ebeba me so the time person e Minister of Land and Resources ne say si e na ani ote so ene no obon say na me ma obi tumi na me ma obi ye nkwasiade bi in the name of party a dachi bi don
accountability is one of the thing na very important na eno na NDC for say resetting omo reset Ghana into omo gusunso reset and they are really doing well. Way I send ho. Who say abre bebre no yakon yem villages and na wonya nsuo nom na nipa ewo sebi obatan kwa wo so kwa wo na nipa obe wo na sebi aboa bi and wa wo nyina ye chemicals no. And then no akoba no say ahimfu ni bi ediduabo ejina so because what say omako MC office omako DC all the arms of government was some faso na sa galamsey no etimi twa no omaye bia enye yi enti no suman kura tiesi obi so eye kromu ne bosome ka konongo asem ame na oken ama enu akwasidaye kura no suman ne beka se obekum krom hofo because ometuo mo munya baabi entina do you think say nananom so no asori ye kan nananom se omunim hohwe chama Wontumi dia baaye wase wonim hohwe enso se bi ka fro bi pasase a onko president ho okọ nananom ho unsa wase nananom so asori wo home so no ye bibi efa ho so wo pese yetimi stop here
empress ye wa himfu bi a almost 30 and it's working Wontumi meye galamsey won the land so and it is working enti ohene bi obeka chem se ote ho na ye galamsey no na oye involved me means worse because uni bibi to say ya wo kan me kokro mu ho anuma esem kosi ohene no so ohene no sabe ya me kura permit kura na wonim say a natural resource eso ka chem say me ma wo nko ho gather the youth and let them march what did I make it say Wontumi ko forest one na sabe wo ohene no timi gina sa anke say ahimfo de bia me ka say omo no mama galamsey ekoso people can say it, but I'll say it.
President no na dwen say hold people accountable for omunyuma omaya na mmabunu no de omho agimu a wo bo ekuti ame no ka say eya baba wa bi a wo TikTok your friend no ba wo miaba what did his excellency John Dramani ne first lady a your friend Lordina Mahama sebi na kosu ekumamu ebon enam so ema ni kunu efa nachi a the president say ame no ka say ya che no ema wako courts na ejebe na wakafa ho the youth and attacking people when the arms of government no try say we hold some people be accountable.
O say me say NDC MPP omo no starting kwasi asemi ekoso Ghana oba MPP mu a abronye ono se bese ejeli ne pa
wow
me na me catch na
me
bese ejeli no
na say ya chi no
me catch ese ejeli no oba NDC mu so Sam George and ne Samija fi say no wanya baby papa into hiding
onkasa
enkofo we no mama yase ayeya eye ade enkola esuan Ghana na wiase de bia me say woti baby a de glass na esi ha to abo start no na omo ye na yehu so say aban ni pa aban mu anu amon position
omo didi atemo no ni a recognize wo mo
me ti John na o see friends
Bawomiaba
me se fam
and Bawomia really invited her so the number in fie asanso prophet godmother e di amano
who say to make us say MPP lack leadership because obi a wo ye flag bearer wo pe abemagu obi etimi aka che ne yonko ba se sabe wase bon
won so oba so
nipa no onye obi akeke oye first lady of the land sabe ashawo ni kwa kodi na ntimi nka chere da se ne ba bi bon what you say there is no way abema and oba is ntimi kasa na wetimi aka when I make I say because of politics you are blinded na girl na okay no ono de me 1 year back na de ma girl back
Camilla
eswa trust me we ese man say 10 years we should and necessary amate say MPP for say ye chiche go ye unjimi me ti hey obi nche me what you say because metimi aka asem no ba me nye no personal attack me ti hey sisi ameka say oh ya friend say John Mahama asa ontimi mu amamu ontimi ncheme because I'm expressing my view on his governance,
not the personality.
Because sabe, they be am say ye Akufo-Addo ye me wofa e be me de. John Mahama ye me wofa kam betu me ho. And then because of politics, is man ultimate tia obi to say ye maame Lordina.
How?
Sad.
How?
Na party nso
obetimi awo.
Obetimi enye so obetimi wa bobra say wo me hwe girl dem say girl no what time.
26 years.
26 years. How do you say this?
Abusuahwe video ye da so ababa we ye de ni kodu court na court premises na police officer and the CID no wode no ewura court no asem a ababa we eka na etwagu ewo TV so nsam trofo a etwa no no ogene ho afri police ni nsam akwakoboro wo mo kyerese na obi jimi a wo de baboso e de ama wo na kyerese adwensa kra de wonya bi etie
because metie because onim ofilise obi jina na chi
okay
and only a problem no and time say obi se ba omi amadi ne ho yawo
na say people are fueling them
that is it and then na Wontumi invite kwasia say ye ba ofie obi a wo pe oman ye di o anything that dey make us say you about me onye fit to become a president. I'm telling you because eniam be ni niam e say oye no ontimi nye ene wa begina wo se tribunal ye stop it me wa ye ya nkofo tribunal dey say baso e say chinkofo too because ya hwe yi a ye ma ne bedu ba bi no o gina ho na akola pie woni no aka nkwasase nye to no ko baby we need to put stop to it.
Okay
no be to say abronye so next line only like 50 years
nsem no so anu odin
papa because ensema ye do abronye e kan ye no sebe obi a wa bodambo
ontimi
kasa asem
oya ye judiciary ni na aka say you know ye arms of government 3 arms of government na die ye mfa nye hwehwehwehwe obu obi enimo but so with this now you say mabuni ebe the future generation of our land no generation ben na nei no ye ja Edi amasa mebuni if we continue like this.
Ye generation to say South Africa. Any about to go back. Sir. Because what do we be? Nyame bia Ghana for ni ehun say eye dia no. And eye dia bi.
Okay, I hear.
And now collect me catch and papa say you are being silly. You are being stupid no catch no. Na me ba be catch me sir.
Stop. Who say
esne si na sutro na ba. What you say? Say you come back. Akola. Penny the penny. Sebe at my age. Still me one phobia me home ma me say gu machi. Because baby I would do no watra.
Yeah.
And man when into that say oh because e bia bisika me wonti me ne ye pe da bi. Okura wo bisika. Politics inti wanya ho na wo kasa. The youth of today me catch on say one hwe ne yahu ne ye. Ene Wontumi no akoye o. Ochina obekomese ye take your freedom even for a day a problem.
Mama party dia dance here. Ye da se. Ka kire Ghana for say freedom ya dia ehu hia papa no odu nsawam no hu no say oh freedom you have everything. And to say no chama Wontumi ye de ne wardrobe no akodu manya ne ntie sisi ase wardrobe no nya kodu eye ne white and blue no styles no Ghana styles no di demu no ya bubo bi ya mane miensen nan ya bubo egumu ede ama no kama na sebi eho no unwale eye geishia wo ho ena unwale ogbonkuruwa ena kisopia ye nkwa ye sesem na white ye disi niemai enu bi na udi edwale ye mi ama mi agrada di ho adanse enti no bo mpa ya no abobi ede ama chema Wontumi because going through this no enye easy wo hwe be memu no si ye na wa drive in a car akodu court na ye ne ni twitwa pictures okoshi MPP fo bi omu say hey Ashanti regional chairman ye ne ni twitwa videos no ye clack it and clack it is our ye ni say ye the handcuff and egu ne nsa this should tell you say onipa ene mmere ye ni nkaso kai hunu say mmere bi bedu ane oye bia no otam so a na ason. Yeah, well, all the social media platforms. No, so don't forget say over subscribing. Now wa share edi amame. Your numbers na so betimi afa. Na so pese ye promo bia amawa. And also na ye marketing no be di nkomo. Na ye was special promo going to December no de ye fala kra. Nyame insure makra.